Hi everyone, it's Blue Kid here. Today I'm going to show you a short intro about OSCP. I'm pretty sure many people who click this video probably already know what it is. OSCP is a cert for ethical hacking offered by Offensive Security. Offensive Security is the company who provides cybersecurity courses, vulnerability database, and Kali Linux distribution. Many viewers are probably already know with Kali or exploit database. Anyone who's interested in cybersecurity probably already knows that there are a lot of cybersecurity certs like CISSP, CH, or Security Plus. So what makes OSCP so special? It's because this is a hands-on certification. You literally need to hack boxes within a limited time frame and submit the report. So far, it's considered a more technical cert than other ethical hacking certs. To give you more details about how the exam is going to be, so you will have 24 hours to successfully penetrate various live machines in a virtual environment, and then you will spend another 24 hours writing a report. So it's total 48 hours exam. Since it's heavily technical and super difficult to pass the exam, most people who is involved in IT security respect this certification. So you automatically get a respect from your peers and employers if you pass it. Offensive Security provides Pentesting with Kali as OSCP course. The course has 17 hours of videos and 850 pages of PDF, which covers common attack vectors used in pentesting and auditings. After you finish the course, you can access the lab environment where you can find a variety of operating systems and network devices to practice what you learned during the course. Some people actually start the lab before they finish the course. So your approach can depend on your experience and skill set. The cost of taking PWK course with the 30 days of lab experience and the exam is $999. I know it sounds really expensive, but when you think about the average salary you can get as certified OSCP pen tester, it's fairly good deal. Because the PWK course is super professional and technical, I only recommend this cert for people who are already involved in cybersecurity field or already know the basic concept of pen testing and offensive security. Everyone is welcome to try, but you might find yourself spending too much time researching and try to understand how this attack actually works. So before you jumping in, you will need to have a dedicated certain amount of time for studying, like researching and Googling. For example, on the buffer overflow vulnerability, you will need additional example to practice. Anyone has a question, please leave a comment. I'll try to answer as many as I can. In the next video, I'll give you more details about the course material and how to study for a PWK.